So this is our final number this evening, a song off of our first album written by one of Hawaii's ali'i, Prince William Pitt Leleo Hoku. He was one of Nalani Eha, or the Four Royals, the brother to Kalakaua Lili'u Kalani and Princess Miriam Likelike. He wrote the song about a love that was unrequited. He was in love with a woman who did not return his affection. And he calls to her in the song with his leo nahe nahe, his beautiful soothing voice, and asks her when he will finally listen to her. And by the end of the song, he realizes that she never will. She never will love him the way that he loves her, and so he must huli ho'ine mekaneo. He must turn away empty-handed. And he bids her adieu with this song called Adios, Ke Aloha. As we bid you all adieu today, have a wonderful weekend, and safe travels to you all. Mahalo for joining us today.
Adios, adios, ke aloha. E ka hau'oli ini ki pu'uwai, e ke aloha. E maliu mai oi, ke ho'olale mai nei, e ke kiu wanu ka wao I ka ua. Hau'oli ini ki pu'uai, e ke aloha. E maliu mai oi, ke ho'olale mai nei, e ke kiu wanu ka wao I ka ua. Ahia oi, ahia oi, oi holono mai. Ine leo nahe nahe, adios, adios, ke aloha. Ho'okahi kiss, dewdrops in my uia ka bell. Hokanoi Līhau, e ia olae, ke aloha, ke huli ho'i nei me taneo. Ho'okahi kiss, dewdrops in my uia ka bell. Hokanoi Līhau, e ia olae, ke aloha, ke huli ho'i nei me kaneo. Ahia oi, ahia oi, oi holono mai. Ine
Maui to the folks at Hawaiian Airlines. We call ourselves Kupaoa.
Aloha.
Aloha.